Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Snapchat send button not working. If you want to send snap but snap button is not working, so how to fix? First of all, go back to your home screen and open your app store, and from here you search for this Snapchat. Tap on this, tap on Snapchat, then tap on update button. After update, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and open your setting, and from here you make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off this toggle at least the 30 seconds you have turn it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode. At least the 30 seconds you have turn it off, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then tap on journal, scroll down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad settings, scroll down, then tap on journal, then tap on iPhone storage. From here search for this Snapchat, tap on Snapchat, tap on offload your app. After a few minutes you have again install, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.